Hey y'all, welcome back to Homestead. I'm out at the garden today and it's a little bit overcast. We were supposed to get some rain, but it went on by, so we'll be out here watering tonight. Everything's doing beautifully. The slugs are off my cabbages. I'm so glad. And I put down pine shavings out of the chick brooder. They say that they don't like to crawl over anything rough or porous, and I think we've kind of knocked it out. I just put it sparingly around the plant. Seems to do fine. Spent chick shavings. So guys, I want to do a video with you all today, a comprehensive list on free seed catalogs. So why is this important? I know it seems soon, but if a lot of you live in warmer climates where you can plant all year long or you can do a fall crop, now's the time to be looking for this, because I went to Walmart yesterday. The seeds are off the shelves right now. You can still go to your feed store and get seeds. That's no trouble. They keep them year round. But as far as specialty stuff, it's gone. So this is good to have for that, to order for a fall garden. It's also good to learn. This is free education right here. All these seed catalogs. So this is your ultimate list. I went through every company I could find this past winter. Go on, order these now, sign up. That way, it may take a couple of months. I just got a couple of these this week still. So let's just dive right into it. Some of these are organic, some are inorganic. It's just free seed catalogs. So we've got a wide variety here too. I've even got fruit tree catalogs. So this one right here, and I'm not sponsored by anybody, I just want to show you for free education you can get. It's Wild Garden Seed, organic seed from shoulder to shoulder from Farm 2024. And so that's that. And it's got a ton of good stuff in here, okay? Very good stuff. Trying to see. This is going to show you more the price instead of education about each thing. Now, you can find like that. A lot of these will give you a lot of good education, but if anything, you can price compare, okay? So, Wild Garden Seed is free. Go to these people's websites, okay? Wayside Gardens. This is more of like a landscaping type thing. They've got all your beautiful landscaping flowers, things of that nature. Seed Savers Exchange, a lot of people like this. I'm probably going to order from them this summer. I have ordered a couple of times online. I've never ordered through an actual catalog though, and a lot of times they'll have more stuff online that you can see instead of just a catalog. So there's that. It's got great information all through it. Seed Savers Exchange. And the one I don't have, I don't believe right here with me, is Baker Creek. You can get a free seed catalog from them. I've learned a lot. Okay, Spring Hill Nurseries is next. Again, this is going to be more ornamental. They've got roses. They've got all sorts of stuff, guys. So that's that. NE Seed Growers Catalog. There's a lot of interesting stuff in this one. This one I like because it's got, like on the back here, a white lightning pumpkin. I think that's on the front there. They've got goosebumps squash. They've got all sorts of stuff that it was just totally different to me. Good education, but a lot of hybrids. This is their main thing, it seems to me. It's all hybrid type stuff. NE Seed Growers Catalog. This one I just thought was interesting. I probably won't order anything from here, but I thought it was very interesting to see and broaden my scope of seeds from across the world. And this is called Seeds from Italy, and just to see what they grow and what they call stuff in that area. And it's a lot of it's the same as what we have, but it's called different things. But they've got a ton of stuff in here that like I've never heard of. Like you can look at the lettuce right there, tons of different stuff. So we think, like, well, black seeded Simpson lettuce is the standard here. It's not other places. It's different types of plants and vegetables that people grow depending on the climate and the area and what's native to that area and things like that, and just what seed companies carry. All right, I really like this one. High Mowing Organic Seeds. This is a good catalog. Very, very, very good catalog. They've got a lot of different stuff in here. I'm looking on the back, it says Cracker Jack watermelons. They've got, I mean, all sorts of stuff. This is just the pepper. I'm just turning the pages so you guys can see and see how much information is in each one. Very good stuff in here. High Mowing Organic Seeds. And all these are free. All you gotta do is go to their website, request the catalog, they mail it to you. You don't have to pay for a stamp, nothing. Okay, I like this one. Johnny's Selected Seeds. It's good. Good information, kind of the same stuff you see at the store, in the big box stores, to me. That's going to be more this. It's not going to be more just off the wall type stuff. Gurneys. Everybody's heard of gurneys. If you go to Walmart, if you go to Home Depot, you'll hear of gurneys. You'll hear of gurneys online. They've got a huge name. I may have a couple in here from them. They've got all sorts of stuff in here. They've got raised beds. They've got planting stuff. They've got, I mean, just tons of stuff. And they're very well known. They've got plants. They've got, I mean, just all sorts of stuff. And if you order these free catalogs, if you can see here, there's coupons if you are going to purchase from them. Some of them do. Okay, Spring Hill Nurseries. I may have mentioned that one already. I think I have. I think they sent me a repeat. Brex. I signed up for Brex, and they send me emails every day. They have a coupon here. This is all like your flowers, ornamentals. There's some gladiolas up there. Talks about planting zones. This is what I'm saying. Education, guys. Education. That's what you need to learn. If you are brand new to gardening, order every free catalog you can get your hands on. And even if it's stuff like hostas that you don't want to plant, like this, it still is chock full of good information. Very good information. Okay, rower seeds. This is a different one. I've never heard of that from around here, and I got a lot of northern companies too, and I live here in Alabama. Just to see what people had. They've got like a lot of products in theirs, and then they'll have the vegetables. There's not a lot of pictures. It's more information, but still good information. Get that one. That one's more going to be your flowers, things like that. If it says nursery, that's what it's going to end up being. This one came in a 3-part. It's Harris Seeds. This is their bedding plant growers catalog. They've got like a landscape, and then they've got vegetables, then they've got a flower one. So I've got all 3 that you can request. Tons of stuff in here that you have probably never heard of. They have got, I mean, just everything you could imagine. Very good. I would definitely get the Harris catalog because there's so much to see and soak in. This one is Pine Tree Garden Seeds. This is from Maine. And you can see what grows in different parts of the country as well. And a lot of this may not be suited for Alabama, but I do see in here, I just turned to gourds, they've got birdhouse gourds. We can grow that. So they've got stuff that'll accommodate any area, but a lot of this stuff may be for more a northern climate. This one is for trees. Chief River Nursery Company. This one folds out and it shows you about trees. You can get like cypress, you can get maples, you can get, let's see here, service berries. I've never even heard of that around here. They've got cranberries. They've got tons of stuff. Chock full of stuff in that. Strictly medicinal. I've talked about Mountain Rose Herb Company, and we're also an affiliate with them. You can go to our page. Our link's in the description of the channel. This is their catalog. Tons of stuff. If you want to get into herbs, get this catalog. You can browse them all right there. They're all right here, and it'll tell you every little thing you need to know about every herb that they sell. And that, I mean, it's good. It's very, very good. So I'm very pleased with the company. I'm pleased with everything so far with Mountain Rose Herb Company. Get that catalog for sure. Park Seed. A lot of people get this. This is a good one. It's going to have your basic varieties, but then they've got, like, this is all their marigolds. Tons of good stuff in there. Fedco. I thought it was kind of a cool catalog. Tells you how to plant a fruit tree on the back. It's all, if I'm not mistaken, organic. I may be wrong. But they've got, I mean, it's like a book. A ton of information. Fedco. Okay, Bluestone Perennials. We've got that. This is drought and resistant, heat resistant plants. They've got all sorts of stuff. This is more your flowers, things like that. Perennials. John Sheepers Kitchen Garden Seeds. That one's a cool one. That one's from up north somewhere, Connecticut. That one's good. Not as many pictures. Everything's wrote out, but it still gives you information. So, John Sheepers Kitchen Garden Seeds. Jackson and Perkins. It's a very good one. If anything, y'all, to pass the time and look at these. I mean, they've got any kind of rose you could imagine. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Burnt Ridge Nursery and Orchards. And this is going to be for your trees and shrubs. Everything's just printed out in the middle, if you can see. Not a lot of pictures, but they've got good information. From Fedco, it's huge. I mean, huge. Our Planting Guide 2024. I mean, they've got tons of stuff. So definitely get the Fedco. Wilhite Seed Company. They're very good. The stuff is reliable. It's going to be kind of your basic stuff, but they've got good seeds. And then last but not least, again, I didn't show you the Baker Creek one, and I'm probably missing a few more. If y'all can think of any, let us know below. The Harris Vegetable and Cut Flower catalog, and it's just, I mean, it's humongous. It is humongous. And again, you can price compare with all these magazines. So that's what I've ordered. Is educational. This is learning material. This is to help you. It's to help me. It's to see what other people are growing. And if anything, this is just right up our alley if we're out here growing every day. So if you will, please like the video, comment, share it, do whatever. We hope you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers that are on here. We're growing and we're tickled to death. We're Harmon Homestead in Central Alabama. We'll see you guys next time.